Assalamu alaikum students. Today I am going to explain you about the hormonal system. What are the hormones? Hormones are basically the chemicals which are released in our body which are performing different types of functions. We will talk about all the functions which are performing some of the functions which are performed by those hormones. Hormones are the chemical messengers made in the spinal gland called endocrine gland. These control most of the body function like growth, metabolism. This is why the hormone system is sometimes called as endocrine system. Means if the body is increasing, growing due to certain hormone. In our body there are different types of hormones are producing. Some are producing slowly in less quantities and some are producing in the large quantity. Okay, hormone travel through the bloodstream, which means they travel slowly and their effect are more general. Once released into the bloodstream from the gland, a hormone travel around the body until it reaches the target organ. Target organ means the where it have to affect that organ is called as the target organ. I'm giving you the example. For example, insulin is a type of hormone which is releasing in our body to control the blood sugar level. Yeah, blood glucose level is controlled because of the insulin. If the insulin is disturbed in your body, so a person may suffer from diabetes. Okay, so hormones are too much important for any of the human being. Okay, now I'm going to explain you. This is the full system of endocrine system. This is called as endocrine system, that is the hormonal system. You will see different types of hormone in this. Pituitary gland, that is producing some hormones. Thyroid and parathyroid glands, pancreas, adrenal gland. These all are the parts, all are the glands of the endocrine system which is producing different types of hormone at different level. Now this is the system, hormonal system, endocrine gland. Those endocrine glands are released, hormone released into the bloodstream. This endocrine gland is releasing certain hormone into the bloodstream. It will circulate in all over the bloodstream and ultimately many parts of the body respond, example heart, lung, liver, blood vessels, bones, etc. They reach to the target organ and produce certain types of effect. Now we'll talk about this is the nervous system. Sensory organ, eyes, ear, nose, etc. Impulse travel along sensory nerve. Central nervous system, impulse travel along motor nerve and one part of the body respond, example a muscle or a gland. This is the nervous system and that is the hormonal system. Means two types of system are working in the human body. Many systems are working, but these two systems are also working in the human body. Now we will talk about glands and hormones. We will talk about the difference between glands and hormones. Number one is the pituitary gland. The pituitary gland is something called the master gland because it makes hormone which control the other glands. Pituitary gland producing many different types of hormones which will control the function of the other glands. Number second is the thyroid gland. What is thyroid gland? A thyroid gland take a hormone that control chemical reaction in body. If a child does not get enough of this hormone, growth will be affected. Thyroid gland is producing a growth hormone. So if there is any deficiency in the growth hormone due to any problem in the thyroid gland, so the growth will be affected. As I told you about that of the insulin are produced from that of the pancreas and it will control the blood glucose level. Blood sugar level is controlled because of the insulin. If the insulin is not controlled, the deficiency of insulin may cause diabetes in any person. Last one is the adrenal gland. What are the adrenal gland? Adrenal gland located on top of the kidneys make adrenaline. What is the function of the adrenaline? Adrenaline prepares the body for fighting or running away. It does this by speeding up the heartbeat and breathing rate. Means adrenaline is the chemical, is the hormone which is produced for fighting or running away when you are in a stress position. So adrenaline is released from your body. Now this is the pituitary gland which is present over here. This is the work which you have to complete in your biology copy. These are also the questions which you have to complete in your biology copy. Complete your whole work in your biology copy. Thank you.